Hey, what is up, guys? It's Outdoor Boy here again, and today we're gonna be taking a look at the Tiger Spincast rod and reel, of course. So yeah, as you can see, it's another open face. My dad's always taught me to love the open face more. I don't know why, but still can. So yeah, guys. I just want to quickly say, he just let me borrow it. It probably won't be in any videos unless he actually lets me have it. But yeah. So just wanted to make that stand out. But if I did have it, I don't know what I'd do with it. Probably make it a catfish rod, one of those type, because these type of reels, and since it is 6 feet tall, and big rods like that, I'd probably use as catfish stuff. So yeah. Now, so yeah, my stepdad, he actually was a sea fishing type person, so that probably explains why it's 6 feet tall. But I just want to really tell you guys, one thing that doesn't make sense is when you turn the rod around, you look right here, it says that it's actually an action medium heavy 8 to 15 pound line, and which that's very crazy, and plus made in China. If you can see that, yeah, made in China. So yeah. So yeah, I don't really get that, so I'm not exactly sure if this is a sea fishing rod reel, but it's right along with all the other open face reels he has, rod and reels. Actually, this was the only one that didn't have string in it. The other ones, they had string in it, but I'll tell you, I could not get knots out of those things. It was literally impossible unless I had some type of knife or thing of scissors, something like that. So yeah, let's look at the reel here quickly. As you can see, it is a Tc5000c type reel. Tournament choice, of course. A lot of his reels and rods say that tournament choice. Matter of fact, the one he gave me says it. And it's a bait cast one. So yeah. I'm not sure what type of or how much line it can have into it. It doesn't really say anything with dude, that's pretty cool to me. So once again, it doesn't say anything. Oh, the reel was made in Sweden. I don't know what that's called. Sweden. Oh, I think I've heard of that. Never mind. So yeah, it's got this gold look to it. I really like that gold look. It's got the same button on the side. Press, do that stuff. But yeah, so once again, 8 to 15 pound line. I don't really get that. If it's a tournament choice type thing, and they probably do, but I don't know if they have any like sea fishing type tournaments. I know they have freshwater tournaments, but I don't know if they have saltwater. So yeah. Now, once again, 8 to 15. That's the main thing I don't like about this rod and reel thing. That thing's tall. So 8 to 15. I usually always bring 20, and I mean all of my fishing rod and reels fit 20 pounds. This one probably could. It most likely could, but it says 8 to 15. So I guess it's just kind of preferring what line you should use. So yeah, it's pretty pretty easy to reel in, things like that. So yeah, and once again, I really like the gold plating to it. Inside really needs to be cleaned. Like I said, he's probably not touched these rod and reels for probably 10 years or more. So yeah. Now, pretty sure you. Okay, let's talk about the rod first. Rod, I'm pretty sure this is the type of rod you'd either put in the ground to like keep it there while you set up another rod. And, you know, because it's got that long bottom part to it, which a lot of these type rod and reels have that long 1 foot thing, long part to the bottom of it. So, once again, you probably can see a little bit of dirt into it. So, once again, probably he's not touched this in a very long time. Now, when we kind of move up a little bit more, it looks a little bit more shiny. This was also the only one that really stood out in colors. Not that I'm really interested in colors. I'm really interested in what type of reel it is, how long the rod is, things like that. What type of line it holds, of course. So yeah, Tiger Spincast, and I think that says Shakespeare. So yeah, I don't know why. And there's a pretty cool little tiger on it. So on the back, I'm pretty sure y'all still remember. It just basically gives you a little bit of information on what line this holds, how big it is, things like that. Tc5000c. So once again, it does really have a lot of color to it compared to a lot of other ones he had. And basically in the whole thing, it's about 6 feet tall, so that's pretty big. I'm gonna say pretty darn big. So I'm gonna try and set it up and kind of compare it to my size, and you know, if I can, I'm gonna go up to the porch. So I'll see you guys there. So, not sure if you have a perfect view, but from how big it is, you can see it's about 2 feet bigger than I am. I'm about 4.75 feet tall. It's pretty big. Now that we're there, just up trees. It's normal technology. Guys, I guess that's basically it for this video. Sorry I haven't actually got fishing episode up. But I'll tell you, I most likely will, and I did actually go fishing, but if you do live in Texas, and if you know where Lumberton is, Lumberton, Texas, and I'm pretty sure you would actually know what pond I'm talking about. Basically, the rich person's pond, as I call it. Because this house is literally a rich house. So, yeah, that's basically what I mean by that. So, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. If you are new, then, you know. Once again, I'm sorry that I didn't upload those videos. I'm sorry that I didn't actually capture them, because the phone was dead at the point when at that point, so it wasn't very good. But yeah, guys, that was basically it. Also, did I forgot where I went, but okay, yeah, I think I'm still thinking about the same place. But yeah, basically that's about it, guys. Yeah, Outdoor Boy here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Bye-bye.